Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 general knowledge part 18. So let's start this video. Disasters. Calamities cause damage to life, property and environment. Some types of calamities are described below. See the pictures and the clue and the name of these calamities. Very strong storm accompanied by heavy rainfall over ocean and sea in coastal area. Means very strong storms accompanied by heavy rainfall over sea, ocean and sea in coastal area. This is called the cyclone. This is the natural disaster is called cyclone. Second, reduction in water to below normal level means reduction in water to below the normal level due to very little or no rainfall for a long period. This is called a drought. Means reduction in water to below the normal level due to very little or no rainfall for a long period is called drought. Next, shaking or tremors in the earth crust ranging from the mild to severe. This is called the earthquake. Excessive rainfall resulting in a rise in the water level in the rivers causing them to overflow into nearby land. So this is called the flood. Means excessive rainfall resulting in rise in water level in rivers causing them to overflow into nearby land is called the flood. Next, huge waves in the sea or ocean that occur due to the undersea earthquakes or volcanic eruption. Undersea earthquake or volcanic eruption, this is called the tsunami. Means huge waves in the sea or ocean that occur due to the undersea earthquake of volcanic eruption is called tsunami. Next one, man-made disaster caused by terrorist activities in war. This is called the bomb blast. Means this is the man-made activities, disasters by the terrorist activity in war. This is called the bomb blast. Next, accidental international man-made disasters. Accidental means here the fire. Do you know tsunami that hit Indonesia on December 26, 2004 was the worst. It kills 3 lakh people. 26 December 2004 tsunami has hit the Indonesia on December 26, 2004 was the worst. It killed 3 lakh people. The Bollywood's entertainers honored. National Film Awards. National Film Awards were established in 1954. They are administered by Directorate of Film Festival in India. Every year the President of India presents these awards to the winner. Every year President of India presents these awards to the winner. National Film Award are categorized in 3 sections. National Film Award are categorized in 3 sections: picture films, non-picture films, best writing on cinema. The first National Film Award was given in 1954 for the film of 1953. The first National Award for the best feature film was given to Shyamchi Ai. The first National Film Award was given to Shyamchi Ai. This was the Filmfare Award. For the excellence in cinematics achievements, the Filmfare Awards was introduced in 1954. These awards are given annually in various categories. These awards are given annually in various categories. film, best actor, best actress, best director, best music director. Best music director means Filmfare Award for the excellence in cinematics achievements for the Filmfare Awards were introduced in 1954. These awards are given annually in various categories like Best Film, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director and Best Music Director. Next one, the IFA Award. The full form of IFA Award is International Indian Film Academy Award. International, I for international, I for Indian, F for film, A for academy. Means International Indian Film Academy Award. This award was first presented in year 2000 in London, Britain. Starting year 2000. Annually, these awards are presented by International Indian Film Academy to honor the Bollywood profession. The category of these awards are the same as the Filmfare Award, like this. TV show and beauty Gannett awards are also presented annually. So full form of IFA, International Indian Film Awards. And these awards are given annually in their various categories like Best Film, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director, Best Music Director. Lungs of our planet, the rains of rainforest. Take up the given quiz to know about the rainforest. MCQ. First question. Soil is tropical rainforest are not fertile. Soil in tropical rainforest are not fertile. This statement is true. So second, what is the major threat to ecosystem to the rainforest? Forest fire, volcanoes या illegal legacy. The correct option, illegal legacy. Third, which rainforest is called the lungs of our planet? Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of our planet. Question number 4, the top of the rainforest is called a green roof, green cover, emergent layer. The top of the rainforest is called the emergent layer. Question number 4, rainforest provide coffee, chewing gum, both A and B. Both A and B. Rainforest provide coffee and chewing gum. Question number 6, a variation of tropical rainforest is taiga, savanna या mangrove forest. The correct option C, mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. Question number 7, these geographical area are divides for tropical rainforest. Option is Southern Asia, North America या C, Africa. The correct option B, North America. Question number 8, snakes live in the rainforest in the layer forest floor, emergent layer, understory. Correct option B, emergent layer. Question number 9, rainforest control weather the pattern, maintain Earth's limited supply of drinking and fresh water. C, both A and B. The correct option C, both A and B. Next here, do you know epiphytes are plants that have adapted well to life in rainforest. They grow on the surface of tree in order to take advantage of sunlight in the canopy. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.